Hello everyone, how are you? I am Jatin Gala, the owner of Earbags. I have my partner with me, Shailesh Bhai, and we all are going to tell you about the Earbags and our journey. So this is me. Earbags was founded in 2011, and it was the very first day of Navratri when we had opened our shop. From that day till now, we have come a long way. It has been 10 years. Also, we have another shop of around 3,500 square feet. So this is our journey. From there, we have jumped till a very big shop right here. We deal in ladies' bags. We have around 16 categories. We have more than 3,500 plus products with us. At any given point of time, we have around 5 lakh pieces of stock available, ready stock. That is a very big stock to have. Also, we do customize. If you have a bulk order, we do customization completely and then give the products to you. Also, if you require more and more varieties, we can show you because we have more than 3,500 designs. And also, every week we make around 60 to 70 new design of ladies bags for your taste, according to you, whatever you want. So, Here Bags was a very good uh, process in Chinese products. Then slowly we converted it into Indian products when we thought that Make in India is a big hit and we should go in Make in India. So we founded its name as Akar. Akar is our brand, and we are showcasing all our products with the name of Akar. And we are proud to say that we are one of the shops who are competing with more than 600 shops in this Madanpura bags. Also, because of this, our prices are very competitive. You can check the whole market accordingly and then you can give us the order. We have many success stories. Like once a customer from Calicut had come and he had bought around 10,000 pieces from us. First, he just asked to give us a customized product and we made 2 samples for it and we couriered him. And for our surprise, we had quoted him some around, the rate was around 33, which was more than which was very less than what he had got from the market, which was around 36. And he's ordering us 10,000 pieces every month for each and every order. And first he transfers money and then the products are made him delivered in 15 days. That's it. So we do timely delivery of goods. That is one of our main selling points. Also, we are competing with 600 shops, so it's a very difficult scenario where I can keep my margin up, which is not at all a chance to give. I am also very proud to say that we have 2 websites. One is a retail website, one is a wholesale website. Retail website is by the name of www.heelbags.com and wholesale website is by the name of www.b2bheelbags.com. I am proud because in this whole market, I don't think so anyone has a wholesale website with them. Some might be having retail websites, and we are the ones who are actually the starters. You can say that this is the first shop who has a wholesale and a retail website. For wholesale website, you need to have a user ID and password, which we can give you after we get some of your information. But if you want to buy a single piece also, now we are delivering that also. For your more kind information, I would also like to say that we are selling our products on Amazon and Flipkart. Also, we have a presence on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. So this is about our social media presence. The best thing is that our name in this market comes in the top 20, I would say, and people recognize us because already this market is more than 60 years old and still we are coming just with an experience of 10 years in this industry, and still if our name is coming in the top 20, then it's a remarkable achievement for us. So I would like to say about our future plans. We are already dealing all over India. We have a very strong hold in South and some of the parts of North, but we want to extend it to all over India with our brand name Akar. We want to do our branding accordingly, and also we want to expand our business all over the world. It might take time, and we are very ready, and we are anxious, and we are excited to showcase our products all over the world. Also, I would like to end this video by saying that you can't buy happiness. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy handbags, and those handbags should be from Here Bags. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शैलेश वदान है। मैं हीरबैग एनएक्स का ओनर हूँ। मैं और जतिन भाई दोनों पार्टनर है। हीरबैग्स जतिन भाई संभालते हैं और हीरबैग एनएक्स मैं संभालता हूँ। कुछ अपने बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूँ। इस फील्ड में मुझे 20 इयर्स हो चुके हैं। इसमें से 10 इयर्स बैग्स मार्केटिंग में चले गए हैं, मतलब उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन लेना कैसे करना उसके अंदर, और बाकी के 10 साल मैं और जतिन भाई ने साथ में हीरबैग्स में निकाले। हीरबैग की बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें हैं, जिसमें से मैं आपको कुछ बातें शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। जैसे कि हम लोग 100 से भी ज़्यादा मैन्युफैक्चरर से डील करते हैं। उन लोग को हम लोग मटेरियल्स, फिटिंग, रनर, अस्तर वगैरह दे के मेक टू ऑर्डर माल बनवाते हैं और उनको लेबर जॉब पे काम देते हैं। जैसे हमारे पास 16 कैटेगरी में वैरायटी होने से हमें डेली की 10 से 20 वैरायटी डेली आती है। ये तो हो गई हमारे मैन्युफैक्चर की बातें। अब हमारे कस्टमर के बारे में भी कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। जैसे हमारे पास 500 से ज़्यादा भी कस्टमर जो इंडिया के हैं वो तो फिक्स कस्टमर है, लेकिन इंडिया के बाहर के भी कस्टमर है, जैसे श्रीलंका, दुबई, मॉरिशस के भी कस्टमर है जो रेगुलर हमको ऑर्डर देते हैं। हाल ही में लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे हमको श्रीलंका के कस्टमर ने 30 मॉडल्स में 200 पीसीस ईच मॉडल में ऑर्डर दिया, वो भी कस्टमाइज़ करके। तो हमने उनको सारा माल उनको जैसा चाहिए था, जो भी चेंजेस करके उनका ब्रांडिंग करके हमने उनको विद इन अ मंथ उनको सारा माल रेडी करके डिस्पैच कर दिया। और जैसे ही उनको वो माल मिला वो बहुत खुश हो गए और उन्होंने रिपीट ऑर्डर कम से कम 70 आइटम्स के 300 पीसीस विथ ब्रांडिंग ऑर्डर हमको रिपीट ऑर्डर कर दिए। मतलब उनको इतना माल हमारा इतना पसंद आया। ऐसे अदर कस्टमर जो इंडिया के बाहर के हैं, रेगुलर उनके ऑर्डर्स आते रहते हैं विथ कस्टमाइज। हम लोग फुल कस्टमाइज करके देते हैं कस्टमरों को जैसा उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। और जैसे हमको खाली एक सैंपल की ज़रूरत रहती है, सैंपल जैसे उनका आया हमको नेक्स्ट डे पे उनको वही सैंपल कस्टमाइज जैसा उनको चाहिए बना के हम लोग देते हैं। ये तो हो गई कस्टमरों की बातें। अब आगे हमें आकार बैग्स को वो लेवल पे लेके जाना है कि इंडिया के अलावा सारी दुनिया में जब भी बैग का नाम आए तो आकार बैग्स का नाम आए, जरूर नाम आए। फैशन fades, only style remains the same. So style yourself with आकार bags. Thank you.